I can see a lot of poopy shells down in the river. See sand down in the river. Oh my God. I think that the water is up to my knees, which is 50 centimeters.
Tell us, what did you see?
I saw an eel and it was that long. Inside it.
Where did you see them though?
By the leaves.
Doing.
I'm dropping a stick in the water to see how long it takes to get 5 meters. 1, 2.
What are you doing?
I'm throwing a stick in the water.
To see how
long
it takes for it to move. 5 meters.
5 meters.
1,
2, 3, 4, where's it? 5, 6,
there it is.
7.
Very careful, especially after the rain. This has gotten quite slippery. You see there's little bits of algae on it, so just make sure that you get good footing when you're walking around here. First thing I wanted to tell you about was the barrier that we've got here, this big dam looking thing. Why do you think this has been put here? Yes.
So you can walk across?
Pardon?
So you can walk it down the left.
Oh, so you can walk across, yeah. It could be for an access way. And we've got bridges up there further as well. What do you think?
So you can look.
So you can look?
Look at right there.
You can get right down close to the stream? Yeah. Because back about 50 years ago, the city actually changed this stream quite a bit. They straightened them out and they made them deeper so that the city around it wouldn't flood and get full of water. And so this is helping with that as well. It's holding the water back over here, and it's also helping to look at all the bubbles in the water. It's all oxygen in the water, which is going to help the water be nice and healthy.
Looks like spit.
Now, do you guys remember learning about the whitebait life cycle?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you think when they're starting to swim upstream that they could get past here?
Yep.
You think so? Yep. Okay. Yeah.
Like on that
maybe. Some people think yes, some people think no. So what we thought we could do next week on our field trip is set some whitebait traps a little bit further upstream. And if we find some whitebait up there, we know that they're getting up past there, no problems. But if we don't, then that tells us that this is actually a barrier to them, which is harder, not such a good thing. So, yeah. But it's handy for us today because we can come down on here and we can do some water samples.
So what is that backside? It looks kind of like
Good observation. So we're testing turbidity, and when you test for turbidity, you need to get a sample from an area. That's okay. We can get another one. But when you're testing turbidity, you need to get your sample from a part of the river where it's not been stirred up much. So what side do you think we should get our sample from? Yeah, that's right.
What's that hairy stuff in there?
Oh yeah, that's this long stringy algae, and that's usually a sign that the waterway's got too much sun on it and also too much food in it, too many nutrients. And it's got lots of this stuff here too. Look at this. This has been washed up here in a big flood. Anyone know what that is?
Seaweed.
Seaweed? Seaweed is, yes. Algae, it's a type of algae. You might have seen it in fish tanks before. It's called oxygen weed. It's one of those pest plants that I was telling you about?
Can you eat it in swimming pool?
But it actually, when it dries off like this, it robs all the water of its oxygen. So it does the opposite to what people think. It doesn't put oxygen in, it actually takes it out.
What's this plant?
No, this was actually up there because when it rained heaps, the water level rose up so high that it actually came up over here.
Oh.
And so it washed some of this down and it got caught around this plant here. Look, there's some over here too. Where it washed up over there. You can see the leaves came over the top. And over here. Yep, and over here as well, it might stop locked up. Yeah, so it's amazing when you get lots of rain in your catchment how fast the river can rise. Yeah.
What's this here?
This has been here for as long as I can remember. But, when my parents were kids, this would have looked very different. And even longer before that, there used to be a Māori pa site up here, Hihiaua, and that was all changed as well back in the 1960s. So it looks very different today compared to how it used to look. Do you think there's poo in there? What makes you think there's poo in there?
I don't think you can't see any pie in the end, like this stuff that comes from God.
So just upon your observations, you think it's looking a bit unhealthy.
But there is some kai in here. Look over there. What's over there? Look, not puha, but you're close. It is a plant. What is that kai? It's green and yummy.
Can you eat it?
Spicy?
What's it called?
Green.
Water
Watercress.
watercress.
Oh, watercress.
Yeah.
Oh.
So that's watercress. So that's the spicy thing that you put in your boil up, isn't it?
We saw it yesterday too.
And eels are kai. And we saw an eel.
Was this pipe over here?
No, this was put in when all this was put in.
All at the
same time.
climb up these across here?
Well, I suspect that they might not be able to, but we'll be able to tell for sure by doing some trapping up
That
front.
looks like that. Could you bomb up this pipe?
Oh, I wouldn't. You'd probably hurt yourself. Look, it's pretty shallow.
That